Expand your vocabulary with our Core 2000 Words ebook. It's free and packed with essential expressions that you'll use on a daily basis. Start building your vocabulary today. Click the link in the description below to download your free Cantonese ebook before it's gone.
Hi everybody, my name is Marie. Welcome to the 2000 Core Cantonese Words and Phrases video series. Each lesson will help you learn new words, practice, and review what you've learned. Okay, let's get started. First is 拖鞋 slipper 拖鞋拖鞋 slipper 我唔明你點樣成日唔見拖鞋 I can't understand how you always lose your slippers. 我唔明你點樣成日唔見拖鞋化妝 makeup 化妝化妝 makeup 化妝箱 makeup kit 化妝箱唇膏 lipstick 唇膏唇膏 lipstick 搽唇膏 put on lipstick 搽唇膏眼線 eyeliner 眼線眼線 eyeliner 個女人畫緊眼線 The woman is putting on eyeliner 個女人畫緊眼線胭脂 blush 胭脂胭脂 blush 個女人用手搽緊胭脂 The woman is applying blush with a brush 個女人用手搽緊胭脂指甲油 nail polish 指甲油指甲油 nail polish 我老婆有個好大嘅指甲油收藏 My wife has a big collection of nail polish 我老婆有個好大嘅指甲油收藏底衫 undershirt 底衫底衫 undershirt 黑色底衫 black undershirt 黑色底衫睡衣 nightgown 睡衣睡衣 nightgown 我嫲嫲鍾意着住睡衣瞓 My grandma loves sleeping in a nightgown 我嫲嫲鍾意着住睡衣瞓底褲 panties 底褲底褲 panties 我成日着黑色底褲 I always wear black panties 我成日着黑色底褲泳衣 swimsuit 泳衣泳衣 swimsuit 一件頭泳衣 one piece swimsuit 一件頭泳衣 Let's review. Respond to the prompts by speaking aloud. First, you will hear a word or a phrase in English. Respond in Cantonese, then repeat after me, focusing on pronunciation. Ready? Do you remember how to say slipper? 拖鞋拖鞋 And how to say makeup? 化妝化妝 What about lipstick? 唇膏唇膏 Do you remember how to say eyeliner? 眼線眼線 Let's try blush. 胭脂胭脂 What about nail polish? 指甲油指甲油 Now, let's see if you remember how to say undershirt. 底衫底衫 Another one. What about nightgown? 睡衣睡衣 Do you remember how to say panties? 底褲底褲 And finally, do you remember how to say swimsuit? 泳衣泳衣 Well done! See you next time! 再見